Did you know X, formerly Twitter, has over 500 million active users every month? That's not just a crowd, it's a global conversation happening 24/7. And guess what? You can turn those retweets and hashtags into real money. Picture this. You're scrolling X, dropping witty tweets, and suddenly, cha-ching, your bank account just got a boost. No, this isn't a fairy tale. It's the new reality, and making money with X is very real. Whether you're a creator, a small business owner, or just someone with a talent for hilarious memes, X has endless opportunities. Today, I'm breaking down 7 exciting ways to monetize X and turn your tweets into income streams. Let's dive in. 1. Use subscriptions. Monetize your followers. X now allows creators to offer paid subscriptions. You can charge your followers for exclusive content. Think behind-the-scenes looks, Q&A sessions, or even premium advice in your niche. Fun angle. If you've got hot takes people can't resist, why not put them behind a paywall? Think of it as the VIP lounge of your Twitter feed. 2. Sponsored tweets got a decent following. Brands love paying creators to promote their products. All you need to do is craft a tweet that's so smooth, it doesn't feel like an ad, yet it sells like crazy. Humor tip. Remember, subtlety is key. You're selling a product, not screaming, "Buy this or else." 3. Promote affiliate links share. Affiliate links in your tweets and earn commissions when your followers click and buy. Popular niches like tech gadgets, beauty products, or online courses do great here. Pro tip. Pair your link with a funny or relatable tweet. For example, just bought this phone stand, so I can scroll X hands-free while pretending to work. 4. Sell your own products or services. Whether you're an artist, a writer, or a small business owner, X is a fantastic platform to promote your offerings. Share teasers, testimonials, or creative posts that drive traffic to your store or website. Relatable pitch. Got talent? Showcase it. Your tweet about selling handmade candles might just light up someone's shopping cart. 5. Host paid spaces X Spaces, the platform's live audio feature, allows you to host discussions, workshops, or webinars, and charge for access. Choose a topic your followers love, and start sharing your expertise. Fun example. Think of it as a live podcast, but instead of editing out your awkward jokes later, everyone gets to enjoy them in real time. 6. Launch crowdfunding campaigns. If you're working on a creative project like a book, album, or app, use X to drive crowdfunding efforts. Platforms like Patreon or Ko-Fi integrate beautifully with X's engaging idea. Tweet your progress updates. People love feeling part of the journey, especially when there are funny fails along the way. 7. Build and flip accounts. If you're great at building niche followings, you can create X accounts with strong engagement and sell them to businesses or influencers looking for a ready-made audience. Humor hook. Think of it as house flipping, but instead of paint and nails, you're using hashtags and memes. So, which of these strategies are you excited to try? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring that bell icon for more creative money-making tips. X isn't just for trending hashtags and viral memes anymore. It's a goldmine waiting for you to explore. Whether you're here to build a business or just make some extra cash, there's no better time to start. Go on, take that first tweet-tastic step.